Hello everybody, welcome. Been Tesco's today. What have I got? I've been to the deli. The hot plate deli at Tesco's. So let me show you what I've got. I've got, see that? Poo chicken. That was £1.20. I've also got New York sausage. That was what, 25 pence reduced. I don't know what the price was originally, I can't see. And I've also got a big Cumberland sausage, 35 pence. Now I never usually buy anything from the Tesco deli, you know, not really. So I thought I'd seen them and I thought, oh, let me get them. So let's open them up and have a look. Right, I've just been looking, and I'm looking early because I've been about an hour. It says, and you can see that, food must be consumed within 90 minutes. Well, I've been about an hour, so I'm lucky. I never knew about that, to be honest with you. I don't know why that is then. Does it go bad or something, or bacteria or what? Or is it because it's in the bag and it's do not replace bag in the microwave or oven? So let's open them up anyway, let's have a look. Let's start off with the Cumberland sausage. Let me get a board out. So I don't usually buy anything from the deli. So there's the Cumberland. We know what that looks like, don't we? Huh? It's nice and big though. There's the Cumberland one. Now we do the New York sausage. There's the New York sausage. And then we got the peri chicken. Now, I didn't know nothing about this thing within 90 minutes, like. It's a good job I checked. And there's the peri chicken there. Put it there so you can see properly. New York one. So I'm going to have to start taste testing them straight away. So this is going to be a real short one, this, because at the time you've got to eat them in that time. So let's give them a quick taste test and see what's what. Right then, I'm going to start off with the New York sausage. When it doesn't say anything on the bags, where's the bag for it? Oh, it does. There's the ingredients there. I don't know if you can see them. I'm not reading all that. There's loads of it. Pause it and try and zoom in or whatever. 68% pork anyway. 291 calories of sausage. So let's have a taste. That's quite nice. Yeah. Pork could taste like mustard, garlic powder, paprika, smoke flavouring. That's quite nice, that is. And that was 25p reduced. I mean, I don't know. I mean, I went up there about 11:30 in the morning. So, you know, I don't know whether they have them on for a couple of hours and then reduce the price. But that's quite nice. Let's try the Cumberland. That's lovely. That's nice. Wait up. Jesus, look at the calories on that. See it? I don't know if you can see that. 458 calories a sausage. 458 calories. 68% pork again. I mean, there's all the ingredients, but I ain't reading all that. Wow. It's nice though, but the calories in that, jeez. Now the piri piri. I mean, it's falling off the bone, which is good, all onto the floor. Can't taste much piri piri in it, only a little bit. That's 214 calories per thigh. 97% chicken fry, obviously. Chili flakes. Paprika extract. I'm not a fan of that one, to be fair. I'll try a bit more. It's nice, but it's not. When I say not a fan, I mean I can't taste the piri piri in it. I can just a little bit, not a lot. But there you go, nice little one that. You know, so there's half the chicken I ate. There's the Cumberland. 400 calories, wow. Wow, 400 and, what was it, 450 calories or something for that sausage. Proper Cumberland, obviously. But it shouldn't be that much. Surely to God, mind it was a big one, any big fat one. Anyway, there you go, nice quick one. I have to get it done because it's got to be ate. So say I'm the old food guy. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. Till the next time, see you later. Bye bye.